We're back. We are having Friday night dinner, but we are back with another Dollar Tree find. So this one is root beer by Spritzer. And this one is cream soda. I have my partner over here. So this one is cream soda. And this one is root beer by Spritzer. Alright, so we're about to try this. Alright, the first one that we're going to try is the cream soda. Pour me up there. This one is the cream soda. Alright. Alright, cheers. Alright. Good stuff. Alright, not bad.
I like it. It has a smooth taste.
Smooth taste. 2 thumbs up, 10 thumbs up. Alright, here is dinner tonight. Damon is sponsoring dinner. He got, when he got Benihana's earlier. And I added some shrimp. And you can't have Benihana's without the Yum Yum sauce. The Yum Yum sauce is what makes Benihana's. I don't know what they put in the Yum Yum sauce. But I made some baked fish. And I added some shrimp. Here's the Yum Yum. Here we go. Good stuff. Again, this is Benihana's rice. And I made some baked fish. Delicious. And add some shrimp. Alright, so we have another one. This one is the root beer. Alright. What about this one? This one I give a thumbs up too.
Yeah.
Very smooth. Tastes like old time root beer.
It'll go good with like some ice cream as well.
Oh yeah.
It's not like a hard root beer taste, you know? It's kind of like in the middle and it's really smooth.